Does your kitchen feel like a chaotic mess? Are you constantly searching for things in crowded drawers and cluttered cabinets? Let me show you 15 incredible products that can completely transform your kitchen into a clean, organized, and efficient space. Whether you have a small kitchen or just want better storage solutions, these products are perfect for anyone looking to simplify their cooking and cleaning routines. Let's dive in. And there you have it. 15 game-changing products to organize your kitchen like never before. From maximizing cabinet space to creating a Pinterest-worthy pantry, these items are designed to make your life easier, your kitchen tidier, and your cooking more enjoyable. Which one of these products will you be adding to your kitchen? Drop your favorite in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing finds.
First up is the Lifewit Silverware Organizer, a must-have for taming messy drawers. This organizer is expandable, meaning it can fit into a wide range of drawer sizes, perfect for both compact and spacious kitchens. With multiple compartments, it provides plenty of space to neatly sort forks, spoons, knives, and even kitchen tools like peelers or small gadgets. The sturdy material ensures long-lasting use, even with heavy daily wear. And the best part? It's easy to clean, just wipe it down with a damp cloth. This is the kind of product that instantly saves you time and stress by making your utensils easy to find. Trust me, your drawer will never look the same again. Next, we have the Kitsure Dish Drying Rack, a two-tier powerhouse for dish organization. If you're short on countertop space, this rack is a lifesaver. The upper tier can hold plates, bowls, or cutting boards, while the lower tier is perfect for cups, mugs, and utensils. Its stainless steel frame is not only rust-resistant, but also adds a sleek and modern touch to your kitchen. The built-in drainage tray ensures that water flows away easily, keeping your counter dry. This drying rack isn't just about functionality. It's about keeping your kitchen tidy and stylish all at once. Plus, assembly is quick and hassle-free. Say hello to the over-cabinet storage basket, an ingenious solution for creating extra storage without drilling or permanent changes. This basket hooks over your cabinet doors, instantly providing space for cleaning supplies, plastic bags, or even kitchen towels. Its open design makes it easy to grab what you need without digging through clutter. Made from durable steel, it can handle heavier items like spray bottles or canned goods. If you're renting or looking for an easy, non-invasive way to add storage to your kitchen, this basket is a total game changer. It's proof that even small adjustments can make a big difference. The OXO Good Grips Pop Container is a pantry essential you didn't know you needed. These containers are perfect for storing dry goods like flour, sugar, cereal, or coffee beans. Their airtight push-button seal ensures that your food stays fresh for longer while keeping pests out. The modular, stackable design allows you to maximize your pantry space and create a clean, organized look. What's more, the clear plastic lets you see what's inside at a glance, so you'll always know when it's time for a refill. If you've ever dreamed of having a Pinterest-worthy pantry, these containers will make that dream a reality. Water bottles rolling all over your cabinets or fridge? The Stackable Water Bottle Organizer is here to help. With its compact, tiered design, each layer holds up to 3 bottles securely. Whether it's sports bottles, tumblers, or reusable drink containers, this organizer ensures they're always within easy reach. It's made from sturdy, BPA-free plastic that's easy to clean and designed to last. Stack multiple tiers to save even more space in your pantry or fridge. This is the ultimate solution for anyone tired of hunting for bottles buried in a pile of clutter. For meal preppers and leftover lovers, the glass food storage containers are an absolute must. Made from durable, heat-resistant glass, these containers are perfect for everything from meal prep to storing leftovers or even freezing soups and sauces. The snap-lock lids create an airtight seal, keeping your food fresh and preventing spills. These containers are oven-safe, microwave-safe, and dishwasher-safe, making them as versatile as they are convenient. With these, you can say goodbye to disposable plastic containers and hello to an organized, eco-friendly kitchen. The storage rack is your go-to for taming the chaos in your pantry. Featuring customizable shelves, this rack is perfect for organizing cans, jars, snacks, and more. The slim design ensures it fits in tight spaces, while the sturdy metal frame supports heavy pantry staples. This rack doesn't just organize, it transforms your pantry into a space that's easy to navigate. No more forgotten items shoved in the back. Everything is visible and accessible. It's like giving your pantry a complete makeover. Streamline your drawers with the 4-in-1 Drawer Organizer, a versatile tool for keeping small items in check. With adjustable dividers, this organizer works for everything from utensils to kitchen gadgets and even office supplies. Its durable non-slip base keeps it securely in place, even in busy drawers. Say goodbye to jumbled messes and wasted time searching for what you need. With this organizer, everything has a place, making your kitchen more efficient and stress-free. Dealing with stacked pots and pans can feel like playing a game of Jenga every time you cook. That's where the ORDORA Pots and Pans Organizer comes in. This adjustable rack has 7 slots that can be customized to fit pans, lids, and even cutting boards of various sizes. Its heavy-duty metal construction ensures it stays sturdy, even when holding your heaviest cookware. Plus, you can set it up in 2 different ways, horizontal or vertical depending on your cabinet layout. This organizer not only saves space, but also makes grabbing the right pan effortless. No more clanging and banging in your kitchen, just smooth, organized storage. Transform your spice collection into a picture-perfect display with the NETANY spice jars with labels. This 24-piece set includes sleek glass jars, shaker lids, and pre-printed waterproof labels, so every spice has a name and a place. The jars are designed to fit neatly into spice racks or drawers, helping you maximize space and keep your seasonings easy to find. Whether you're cooking a quick dinner or experimenting with a new recipe, having an organized spice setup makes everything smoother. And let's be honest, these jars are so aesthetically pleasing, they'll make your kitchen feel like a pro chef's space. Tired of messy cereal boxes cluttering your pantry? The Utopia kitchen cereal containers are here to help. This set of 4 airtight containers is designed to keep your cereal and dry goods fresh and crunchy for longer. Each container comes with a secure lid and a convenient pouring spout, making it easy to serve your favorite breakfast without spills. The sleek, stackable design helps you save space while keeping your pantry neat and organized. Whether it's cereal, pasta, or snacks, these containers make every morning a little easier and a lot more organized. Keep your sink area spotless and functional with the Merlong Sink Organizer. This compact holder is perfect for storing sponges, scrubbers, and dish soap, all within arm's reach. It features adhesive backing, so you can install it without drilling holes or damaging your surfaces. Made from rust-proof materials, it's built to withstand daily exposure to water and soap residue. The ventilated design allows your sponges and cloths to dry quickly, reducing odors and bacteria. It's a small change with a big impact, helping you maintain a clean and clutter-free sink area. Let's talk about multifunctionality with the Smiley 3-in-1 multifunction holder. This wall-mounted organizer offers slots for your dishcloths, sponges, and even your cutting board or pot lids. Its strong adhesive backing ensures it stays firmly in place, while the stainless steel construction resists rust and wear. Perfect for small kitchens, it keeps your essentials organized and off your countertops, freeing up space for cooking. Whether you're rinsing vegetables or cleaning up after a meal, having everything neatly arranged makes your kitchen tasks smoother and more enjoyable. Bring some order to your cabinets with the SONGMICS Stackable Cabinet Organizer. These stackable shelves are perfect for creating extra space in cluttered cabinets or pantries. The durable metal frame supports a wide range of items, from plates and bowls to canned goods and spices. Each shelf can be used individually or stacked to create a 2-tier setup, making it customizable for your needs. Whether you're looking to maximize storage in a small kitchen or simply keep things tidy, this organizer is a simple yet highly effective solution. Finally, we have the Vtopmart Drawer Organizer Bins, a set of 8 clear bins designed to bring clarity and order to your drawers. Perfect for organizing cutlery, small kitchen tools, or even snacks, these bins help you make the most of your drawer space. The transparent design makes it easy to see what's inside, while the durable material ensures long-lasting use. You can use them individually or group them together to create a customized layout that suits your kitchen. With these bins, every drawer becomes a functional, organized space, and no more hunting for lost items.
And there you have it. 15 game-changing products to organize your kitchen like never before. From maximizing cabinet space to creating a Pinterest-worthy pantry, these items are designed to make your life easier, your kitchen tidier, and your cooking more enjoyable. Which one of these products will you be adding to your kitchen? Drop your favorite in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing finds. See you in the next video.